Laraine. I've got drop foot, which is why I have to wear the brace, nerve damage from spinal issues, had a lot of back surgeries, 14 I think.
So you've had 14 back surgeries?
14,
14.
Yeah. 2 of them were on my neck,
Okay.
and the rest are on my lower back. I've got 8 levels of my spine fused. And wore an off-the-shelf brace for 3 years before my doctor recommended seeing you. My doctor also has drop foot, and he came to be wearing one. So I'm back for my 1-week follow-up, and so far I've noticed I'm walking a lot better. I can stand up a lot straighter. It's actually helped my neck some. It doesn't hurt as much anymore because I'm standing up straighter, so I'm holding my neck better. I can walk a heck of a lot faster and a lot longer. Up until now, with the other braces I've been wearing, I couldn't walk faster than like a 21, 22-minute mile. And when I timed it about 4 days after wearing the brace, it was like 17 minutes. So I'm able to walk a lot faster.
Okay, you can go up and down. There you go. Not bad. Okay.
Down and go the other way.
Yep. See, is that easier?
It's much easier.
So your speed and endurance increased?
Yes, significantly. And my balance. I can walk along curbs. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall as much. It's a lot easier walking my dog. I've got a 160-pound dog, and I'm not so worried about her pulling me over anymore because I don't feel like I'm tipping over.
What kind of dog?
Great Dane.
Wow.
When I walk my dog and I need to walk her along the grass, I was walking in the street because I couldn't walk on the curb. But after the second day, I was able to walk along the curb.
And that was just after the second day of wearing it?
Yeah.
And how did that feel?
It took a little bit getting used to, but after a while, I didn't even have to think about it. As long as I looked straight ahead, I was able to stay on the curb and not fall off.